Yo guys, welcome back to Pokemon India official, and guys, that's a huge news guys today from the Niantic. You can check out the news. They have balanced the Pokemon CP guys. Yes, as you guys see, there was like Arcanine, Dragonite, Executor are always there in the gym, and the Wish Pokemon were like Rhydon and Gengar. Everything was a Wish, Alakazam. So they have changed, or they have balanced the CP guys. Yes, that's sure. They have balanced the CP. They have changed a lot more things, and they have changed like tons of things. Whole thing has been described in their article. Link is in the description, guys, and I will let you know that what they have balanced and what they have not, guys. So first of all, just check out this, guys. My Pokemons are damn too awesome right now. I was not knowing that in the future this much advantage I will get, guys. So first of all, let's go to the Pokemon. Yes, guys, check out this. I got my Gyarados, which was of 2001 CP. It's just went to 2447 CP, guys. And just check out this boat Rhydon, guys. They were like around 15 to 1600 CP, and now they are like 200 and 400 to 2400 CP. Yes, guys, the Rhydon has been like came like for more than 800 CP. They are balanced, guys. And the another thing is this Golem. It was like around something 1700 you would have seen in the previous video, guys, and now it's around 2200, guys. So, and what I will let you know which Pokemon have been like went high and which Pokemon are went down. So first of all, the Pokemon which went high is like this: Rhydon, Golem, Gyarados, and Gengar, Alakazam. You can see I was having Alakazam of like 100 and 1001 CP, and now it's of around 1600 CP, guys. You can see over here 1600 CP, guys. And you can see the Scyther, guys. I have now Scyther of 1800 Scyther, guys. You would never have seen this. I have a Scyther which was like around 1500, and now it's of like 1800, guys. And the another thing is Pinsir, guys. 2000 Pinsir. It's of 1941 Pinsir, guys. It was like around 1500 Pinsir, and now it's just went to 1900, guys. So these are the Pokemons which are been. And one more thing, guys, like Hitmonlee, and it was like around 1100. It went to 1800 right now, guys. So these are the Pokemon which has been got an advantage and which CP has been balanced, are like Alakazam, Gengar, Hitmonlee, and there's Golem and everything. Right, Pokemon which lost their CP are, guys, this Executor. It was like around 2198, which has been came down to 69, and the Venusaur, which was a 1199, came to 90. Arcanine, yes, the main disadvantage go or get to the Arcanine, guys. Yes, there was like many Arcanine about the 1000, 2000, and it just came into 1800 and something, guys. So this is how the CP balance has been done in the Pokemon Go, guys. I will do a very big video on this. And there's like, guys, one more thing. The Niantic is celebrating or giving you one more event, guys. Yes, which will be starting from tomorrow, 23rd of November, till the end of the month, like 30 November. So in that you will get double XP and double Stardust in the normal game actions, guys. So you will play between these days, like 23rd of November to 30 November. You will get double XP and double Stardust, which is a great advantage, guys. So don't sit at home. You can play, go out and play as much as you can, guys, in between these days. And guys, yes, there is a, now you can see, and there is one more thing, guys. I have just been get shocked by this. You can see Kingler is getting so high right now. It's like 1700 Kingler, and I will show you my Krabby, which was of like 400 or something. Now it went to around 971. What the fuck? Yes, guys, the Kingler and everything has been went high. Even the Butterfree and Beetle went high. So guys, here are the list of the Pokemons which you can see which went high and which went down. Here are the list of the Pokemon, guys. Yes, guys, as you guys saw the list, here is everything of the video, guys. And I will do a much more video on this great CP balance in the future. And guys, the event will be start from tomorrow, 23 of November. So guys, that's it, guys. Let me show you once my whole Pokemon team right now with me. And here are the team with 2000 plus Gengar and all this stuff now. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys this information helped you a lot and CP balance. So guys, go out and play Pokemon Go and get all the new stuff with you, and enjoy the double experience, double Stardust from tomorrow, guys. So that's it, guys, for today's video. like, subscribe, and peace, guys. See ya.